The number one question I get asked from beginners is, what niche should I actually sell in? And I get it because there's a million directions you can go and it's so easy to freeze. So in this video, I'm saving you hours of trial and error by breaking down 10 digital product niches that actually make money on Etsy. These are proven, they're beginner friendly, and any of them could be your first shop. Grab something to take notes because you're going to want to screenshot a few of these. So let's get right into it. And if we haven't met before, hi, my name is Karen. I started my digital product business back in 2020 as a totally burnt out graphic designer. And now I run 2 six-figure businesses teaching everyday beginners how to create and sell simple digital products. I've spent years testing niches and watching what actually sells versus what just looks good. So everything on this list is here for a reason. And real quick, if by the end of this video you're still torn between niches, I've built something to make this decision for you even easier. It's called the Naomi Niche Bot, and it gives you your niche, a freebie idea, and a product idea in under 60 seconds. Links in the description if you want it. Let's start with a big one, wedding and events. People are always planning weddings, baby showers, birthdays, graduations, and they want everything to feel beautiful and cohesive. And because it's tied to a big life moment, buyers happily spend more. Here's my favorite part. One design becomes a whole bundle. A single wedding invitation can expand into menus, seating charts, thank you cards, RSVP websites, and now you are selling a bundle for way more than one template. And if you need help picking which product to make first, grab my free 500 plus digital product ideas guide in the description below. Hundreds of ideas across every niche in this video. It is free, so you can grab it below. Let's go into niche number 2, business and social media templates. This one's quite a goldmine because you're selling B2B to other business owners. And here's why that's so good. A regular shopper might hesitate to spend $10 on a template, but a business owner sees it as an investment. If it saves them time or makes them look more professional, they'll pay more. And they'll also come back as their business grows. Think Instagram carousel templates, content calendars, brand kits, pricing guides for coaches, photographers, small shops, tons of directions, and reliable repeat buyers. Niche number 3 is printable wall art. Wall art is one of the most popular niches on Etsy, and for good reason. People are constantly decorating homes, offices, nursery, kids' rooms, and instead of buying pricey framed art, more and more people want instant download print they print at home. The magic here is the huge range. Minimalist, boho, vintage, nursery, motivational quotes. You can make broad collections or niche all the way down into one aesthetic and still do amazing. Design once, sell forever. Niche number 4 is planners and journals. And I'll be honest with you, this niche is saturated, okay? Search planner on Etsy and you'll find thousands, but it still sells incredibly well if you find the right angle. The trick is to go super specific. Instead of making another generic planner, ADHD-friendly planners are huge right now because they're built for people who struggle with normal layouts. Shadow work journals, meal prep planners for busy moms, teacher planners. Niche it down and you stand out instantly. And quick, let me know which one of these niches is catching your eye so far. Drop the number in the comments below. Niche number 5 is financial and budgeting tools. Everyone needs help with money. And unlike trend-based products, finance tools are evergreen. People need them year-round. And they come back at every new life stage. What makes this niche so profitable is the mix of practical and emotional. Money feels stressful for a lot of people. So if you make a budget tracker or a debt payoff planner that makes it feel simple and calm, buyers see huge value. You're not selling a spreadsheet, you're selling peace of mind. Number 5 on my list is educational and teacher resources. There will always be students, teachers, and parents looking for tools to make learning easier. That's what makes this niche so consistent. Teachers happily invest in things that save them time, And homeschool parents especially love products that their kids structure. Think lesson planners, flashcards, activity sheets, homeschool trackers, and it covers so many audiences, teachers, students, parents, so you can go broad or niche down and still do great. Niche number 7 is career and resume kits. This one is evergreen because no matter the economy, people are always applying for jobs, and the audience is broad: students entering the workforce, professionals upgrading their CVs, right? Creatives building portfolios. What makes it profitable is the emotional side. Job hunting is stressful, and buyers want every advantage. A polished resume template doesn't just save time, it gives them confidence. And people spend more when it's tied to something as important as their career. Niche number 8 is fitness and nutrition planning. Health is one of those evergreen markets. People are always trying to get healthier, track workouts, or eat better. This niche right here appeals to a huge range from gym lovers to people just trying to build better daily habits. And buyers are motivated by milestones: new year, summer, a fresh start. So, workout trackers and meal planners sell consistently all year with a big spike every January. New Year, New Me is basically a built in sales season. And listen, if you found your niche, but you're not sure how to actually create and sell the products, that's exactly what I teach inside Canva to Cash, my full step by step system for making, listing, and selling digital products as a total beginner. This week, use the code YT100, get yourself $100 off. Links in the description below. Niche number 9 is real estate and Airbnb templates. Here's one that most sellers completely overlook, which is exactly why it's so profitable: real estate and Airbnb. Your buyers here are business owners, realtors, Airbnb hosts, property managers, right? And like all B2B, they see templates as an investment. Realtors need beautiful marketing materials. Airbnb hosts need welcome books and house rule guides to get a 5-star review. You're giving them tools that literally help them make money, and they'll pay you well for that. And number 10 on my list is kids' activities and printables. This one's a sweet spot for so many of you because if you're a parent, you already know exactly what other parents need: coloring pages, activity sheets, chore charts, learning games, birthday party printables. Parents buy these constantly to keep kids busy, learning, and entertained. It's a warm, evergreen niche with endless product ideas, and you get to create from real experience. So there you go, 10 proven niches that actually make money on Etsy. But here's my honest advice: do not try to do all 10. Pick one that excites you the most or that you already know something about and start there. You can always expand later. The people making real money started with a single niche and a single product. And again, if you need ideas, grab my free 500 plus digital product ideas guide in the description to find your first product. And if you're still torn on what niche is best for you, let my Naomi niche bot pick it for you in under 60 seconds. Link is also below this video. And when you are ready to create and sell step by step with me, join me inside Canva to Cash. You can use the code this week, YT100, and that gets you $100 off. If this helped, like this video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which niche you're starting with, and I'll see you on the next one.